Hello, and welcome to Ninox. My name is Andy Marks. I'm a Ninox programmer and trainer, and for the next few minutes I'm going to be your tour guide as I introduce you to the powerful Ninox database solution. In this video, we're going to answer 3 questions. What is Ninox? What does it do? And how can I get started? Now let me move out of the way so you can see the Ninox system in action. Ninox works across all platforms. It's a database development tool that works on your phone, your laptop, your tablet, and your desktop. It works across all platforms: Apple, Windows, Android, iOS, no problem. Now you can load Ninox on your machine, on your phone, on your desktop, or you can run the solution in the cloud. And when you're running Ninox in the cloud, it automatically synchronizes with all your devices. Work on your data in the office, jump in your car, head off to a meeting, and you've got Ninox on your tablet. You're done with the meeting, you head back to your car, quickly look at your phone to see any changes to your information, and you can mix and match your technologies. An Apple desktop at the office, maybe an Apple Pad at the meeting, and an Android phone in your hand. No problem. No complex programming, no setup or configuration. Ninox knows how to integrate all of your technologies together so you always have access to the information that's most important to you. Now, the question always comes up, what can I do with Ninox? Well, the answer is pretty simple. It's just about anything you want. You can do project management, whether you're running an agile system or working on a waterfall project. I don't care if you're building a building, creating new software, or just keeping track of timelines and schedules in a small business. Ninox can do all that for you with built-in Gantt charts, Kanbans, graphic options. You can collect, manage, and look at your data any way you want. On the other side, we see that Ninox is a property management and a real estate solution for a realtor. She can keep track of all of her rental and sales properties and even put that information in the palm of the hands of the people that are buying, selling, and renting her properties. Let's look at some more solutions. Now, these aren't sample databases. These are real live technologies that were created entirely in Ninox for some of the largest and most successful corporations in the world. Here we see a purchase order system that was designed for a large international clothing retailer. They use Ninox to track all of their inbound and outbound inventory, all of their dock traffic, and all of the activity in their warehouse. And they've tied Ninox directly into the accounts payable system, so when those purchase order goods are delivered, they know what bills need to be paid and when. Here we see a dashboard. Ninox is also an executive information system that provides you with dashboards and scorecards and custom-made reports that give you exactly the information you need, accurately, on time, every time. You can design these dashboards to meet the unique and specific needs of your business, and you can do it without any programming, no experience necessary. What you need to know to make Ninox work is what you want it to do. Tell Ninox what you want it to do, and through pre-built templates and automatically configuring fields and lots of other cool tools that you're going to see in some other videos, Ninox will take what you need and build the solution almost for you and automatically. Here we see a dashboard where you can look at your data both in summary and detail. You can drill down from a high level to a very low granular level, even look at your data at the same time in numeric and graphic form. Ninox is anything you want it to be, and it can look any way you want it to look. Here's a completely different look. Here we see an inventory management system that's really built around graphic interface. Now, we're seeing pictures of inventory, but these could be pictures of your employees, pictures of customers, pictures of job sites, houses you've built, driveways you've paved. Doesn't matter what it is. Ninox allows you to engage graphics, photographs, link to documents. use icons, flags, and colors to make it easy to find the exact information you are looking for. Here we see another solution that's used by a large women's intimates company, and they use this to track their women's wear and sporting goods. They use it to track what's been ordered, when it's due, sizes, samples, all of the different comings and goings in their multiple warehouses around the world. This is a solution that was built in just a few months for one of the largest women's fashion stores in the world. A few weeks ago, the International Cycling Federation had their World Indoor Track Cycling Championships, and Ninox was there. When they needed a solution to give instant, up-to-date information to the in-stadium announcers, Ninox was the answer. They use Ninox to keep track of 7 years of world, national, championship information, as well as the last 3 Olympics. This system was built in less than a week on the Ninox platform. And here we see a really complex dashboard that's used by one of the largest electrical companies and power grid management groups in the world. They use Ninox to manage all of their human resources and keep track of all of their employee immigration and trust fund accounting issues. Ninox is whatever you want it to be. It can be the way you manage activities at home, or it can be the way you manage activities across the globe for your business. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to be a database architect. You just need to know what you want Ninox to do. Ninox takes care of the rest. Now, in terms of next steps, there's over 10 hours of free, self-directed training videos that give you great information about how to do just about anything you'd need to do in Ninox. The next video after this one takes you on a tour of the Ninox desktop, takes you into the system for the first time, and shows you around so you know where your tools and different options are located. And after that, you can start building tables. In fact, by the time you finish the 3rd video, in less than an hour, you will have built your own custom database management system. It's powerful, it's easy, it's fun, it has a huge return on investment, a very low cost of ownership, and it is truly one of the most powerful database development platforms available today. That's what Ninox is. You can do anything with it. You can get started right now. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I hope to see you again soon. And thanks for checking in. Enjoy Ninox. See you soon. Bye-bye.